welcome to my channel! Our yummy, easy recipe for today is sapin-sapin. Sapin-sapin is derived from Ibanag word sapin, which means layers. This rice cake is layered of glutinous rice cake with different flavors. My recipe, I'm using only the real ingredients like halaya, young coconut meat, and real jackfruit. No bueno the food colors. Let's start by combining the glutinous rice flour and rice flour and using a wire whisk mix to combine. Then add the kakang gata or coconut cream and the evaporated milk. Followed by the condensed milk, then continue combining all the ingredients. Mix until smooth the mixture. When the mixtures is already smooth, divide the mixtures into 3 equal portions. The first mixture, which is the purple color, I added with ubi halaya or purple yam jam. Mix until the mixtures become purple. Using a measuring cup, I put 1 cup of the purple mixtures. Then steam in a pre-boiled steamer for 20 to 30 minutes on a medium heat. Add the young coconut meat to the mixtures. This is the white mixtures. After a good mix, pour the mixture to the molder. This is the second layer. Then continue steaming for about 20 to 30 minutes. And the last layer, which is the yellow color or jackfruit flavor, I added the cooked jackfruit to the mixtures. Whisk until become yellow in color. Then pour the yellow or the jackfruit mixtures. This is the third layer and continue steaming for about 20 to 30 minutes. After the sapin-sapin cool down, better to unmold right away and put in fridge to chill before serving. I also make sapin-sapin in a cup. Upon serving, top with dulce de leche and budbud. I use the store-bought dulce de leche. Here's my sapin-sapin with real ingredients on a cup, topped with dulce de leche and budbud. If you like this video, don't forget to press the like button, write a comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye!